guys doing? Did everyone get signed up for our drawings? We're going to be giving a few things away. If you didn't get signed up, now's a good time because we're going to be having some good stuff. The first thing we're going to show you, oh, by the way, I'm Kati.
I'm Jana, and I'm not on. Hold on. I'm Jana, and I turned myself on. Hold on.
The first thing we are going to show you is a little bit of a door decoration that you can hang on your front door and your entryway.
How do I turn myself on? You got it.
Mic check.
Okay.
Success.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Okay.
So on this door decoration, we're going to start with one of these baskets. And we have a little bit of floral foam, and we just kind of cut it to fit the size, and we're just going to go ahead and stick that on in there to get ready. The next thing that we're going to do is grab a little bit of ribbon.
Let's hit this first.
Oh, excuse me. Not the ribbon. We got a little pick here, and Jana just bent it and bit the end.
Just one of these. And then I just bent it over. This way you don't have to hot glue or anything.
Yeah, very simple. You can just hook it right over.
Hook it over like this. I've got a wayward little piece there. Okay.
And then what we're going to just do is we're just going to take a little bit of ribbon, wrap it around the front there. Now you can use a hot glue gun or anything like that too, but what we're going to do is we're just going to pin it. That way if you want to change it for the seasons, change it out in any way, you're not just committed to one particular look.
Take a straight pin right now and put it through. We just didn't want to hot glue on the basket in case somebody wanted to buy it later. So we got this.
Yep. And then it's real easy. All you need to do is just whatever picks that you like, whatever fits your decor, you just start putting it on in there and filling it in. And so it's real quick, real easy way to decorate that doorway.
And just like the leaves that Jason showed you, these are also pliable, so you can just bend them any which way you want. Feels like that's what I'm doing.
We saw some pine cones on the pick that we used in the front, so we just picked up a few and thought about just sticking them on in there. Just
There's one.
yep.
Whoops.
I'll hold that for you. Perfect.
Yeah, we just might need to go down a little bit further, but you guys get the idea? All right. Then we just want to attach a bow to the front. You want to get the bow? You get it on there.
It's real easy, and what I'm just going to do is just wrap a little bit of wire or pipe cleaner, anything that you might have around, just around and tighten it up on the front. And while I'm doing that, Jana is going to tie a loop around this top part of the basket.
I just grabbed a thin piece of ribbon. So we didn't know exactly how long we wanted it or how we wanted it to show on the door. So this way I can kind of eyeball it when I stick it up there and get it just perfect.
That looks great, Jana. And then we had some straw bales stacked up. A lot of people like to use straw in this season. And we have some pumpkins that we put around there. A real easy way to decorate the side of your doorway is just to have that straw bales and those pumpkins, maybe set a mum on top. And then if you wanted to dress it up, you can just take a little bit of garland and wrap it around.
Let's start with this side.
There we go.
Down like this. Once again, these will just pull out real easy.
There we go.
There we go.
Awesome. Last but not least, we can just do a quick little decorations. What I've done is I already have some pumpkins kind of hollowed out, and you can just take
You might tell them the secret way that you cut the pumpkins to make it so much easier.
well,
Do
Jason.
this at home.
Jason did let me in on a secret, and the easiest way to get this done, if you want to make this little craft, is you just take the top of a pot like this and put it on the back and draw your pattern. That way it shows you how big of an opening you need to make it. And we just cut the hole, kind of hollowed it out a little bit, and then you just set a mum, and I planted up some pansies as well right on in, and those would work great as a front porch decoration pretty much anywhere. And then later on, when the pumpkin was done, you could just take the plant out and either plant it in your yard or just keep it on your porch. So.